If you're not familiar with security fog devices, then it's easy to look at a datasheet and make generic assumptions regarding the performance and reliability. We at Protect have refined FogCannon as a proven security fog solution that ensures your credibility is always retained. In addition, we have designed FogCannon to be easy to service and to support. We've made spares readily available, plus we have technical support, training and e-learning available to make it easy to be as effective as you can. In short, we want to make it easy to do business with Protect by designing out risk for both you and the end user. Your business can be even more effective by adding remote reporting issues. This gives you the ability to plan in advance and correct any issues with a single site visit. Our remote reporting system is by IntelliCloud, and it offers a dashboard showing the status of all your installed FogCannons. So should an issue occur, you receive an email with the full details to complete any works in a single site visit. IntelliCloud is free to download and is subscription free, so it can be key to increasing the effectiveness of your business. IntelliCloud just needs an expansion card for the FogCannon plus an internet connection. And by the way, this is retrofittable for virtually all FogCannons installed since 2012. As a further point, if you're using a wireless system, then you're going to need that essential feedback from the machine to know of any issues. If you don't have a wired connection to your panel, then FogCannon with IntelliCloud provides the solution and reinforces the reason to select FogCannon with IntelliCloud. We've been helping installers to protect their customers while protecting their own reputations for over 20 years. And we can make it easy for you to add FogCannon into your projects. With products in stock, plus all the support tools you'll need to sell FogCannon to your customers. Contact us now and we can discuss any questions to get your FogCannon projects over the line. Thanks for your time. I hope it's been of value to you, and remember, if you value it, protect it.